Hello there, guys. Today we are going to be checking out uh, this inspiration section that I almost forgot about. I never notice every time I post a video. Oh, wow, this video was posted at my birthday, and this video was posted before my birthday. Um, so I went to check out the inspiration section. I'm pretty sure it's run by AI. I'm just gonna see what kind of stupid suggestions there are. Three, two, one. Spike your next great idea. Spike your next great idea. All right. Um, exploring the glitchy void within Funky Maker. I made two videos on Funky Maker Mobile. Ever, gang. Single level editor. After that, I just kind of don't use it anymore. Singing battle against a corrupted binary beast in a digital forest. Uh, uh isn't that a singing battle though? Singing battle. What is this, Disney? But if you remove the singing part, it's literally just 99 Nights in the Forest. I don't even play it. Designing a custom rhythm stage only using random sound effect samples. I do not make music, gang. Walter, that is not me. That is not me, gang. That is not me, bro. That is clearly not me. I mean, look at it and look at my profile picture. I mean, they almost look alike, actually. Walter discovers a mysterious key inside the Tune Tone menu. I don't think there's a mysterious key in there, and I'm not gonna make two videos on Two Tone. Speaking of that, I might make a video on the Power Scale. Oh. Survival Challenge inside the most chaotic user-created platformer levels ever. I think I actually have a game that I don't touch a lot that has user-created levels, so this is actually a possible one, in my opinion. But there's no guarantee I would do it. Abstract cartoon logic experiments are the newest version of Funky Maker. Okay, I'm not gonna use it again for the last time. My only using emoji prompts to let AI script my newest horror masterpiece. I would never let AI make a game for me unless it was intentional. Like if I ever made a game with AI, it would most likely have AI made game in the title and or description, and it most likely also be on Scratch. If I do ever make one like that, I'll put it on Scratch and I'll put it in the description of the video that I post next, or maybe on it. I created a cursed piggy box, using only cursed text and to speech prompts. No thanks. Speedrunning every secret game mini game inside the Tune Tone developer debug menu. That's why I'm sniffling so much. It's just because just my running nose. Uh, well, I don't have a runny nose. It's just I have a lot of snot in my nose. I'm a snot-nosed kid. What can I say? Attempting to survive a level where every single block is a deadly glitch. I don't know if they're referring to Geometry Dash or any other game they don't really know about. I'm playing a knockout tournament. First Roblox reference. Tournament. Only a broken controller to see who wins. How do I win that? Like a random number generator decided my entire character design for Puffism. Oh my god, Puffism reference. But seriously, I am not gonna update that thing. I don't like it. Kinda looks ugly. Be honest. Watch it back, and the only thing that looks good is Bandanity. Um, I made a horror game where the monsters only move when I sing. I'd probably make something like that on Scratch. And I don't really make games on Scratch, but I would. I'd probably make one just they start moving towards you if you make a sound, if you make too much noise. Um, letting a comic section build the most impossible knockout level ever made. You can't even build knockout levels. Plus, most of the time, my and and like 90% of the time, my videos don't even have comments on them. So thank you, YouTube. You, you better skip over this one, like this next tiny part right now, fuckers. Sorry about that. Anyway, testing if AI can recreate tune tone only using low quality voice notes. What does it? What does your voice? What does my What does my voice have to do with tune tone? Surviving a nightmare hide and seek map created by a viral. Jesus, this AI is glazing itself. This AI is making everything. Surviving a nightmare hide and seek map designed by a viral chatbot architect. Okay. Transforming. I am not female. Transforming random objects in my room into playable funky maker mobile characters? Dude, competing in a high stakes knockout tournament only using motion control settings? I don't think that's possible. Thanks. Um, it's having trouble loading in. Um, I built a horror game with a real where the monster mimics my own real face. Okay, playing knockout, but every game increases the speed by 50%. I will play knockout again. Don't worry. Forcing an answer, rewrite Toontown's story only using sarcastic jokes. Okay, Toontown doesn't have a story. Winning a professional knockout match without ever looking at my screen. Oh. So basically, knockout, but I can't see. Uh, that's actually a good section. Minus the professional. I'm just gonna choose whatever lobby I get in. But yeah, I might do that video. Creating a scary game based on my actual childhood nightmares using AI. One, of course, it's using AI. Two, um, I'm still a child. YouTube, I'm still a child. Putting a professional knockout match without ever looking at my computer screen. TV screen. Testing of a neural network can beat the hardest level of knockout. Knockout has rounds, maps, crap like that. I built a horror game where the villain controls my real desktop files. Whoa. Hold on there, buddy. That's probably impossible to do with Scratch. Why does it see me as a fat guy? It sees me as a fat guy right here, and another familiar guy right here. This is literally just Spider-Verse. Spider-Verse all art style. I built a I built a horror game with a villain controls my real blah 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 blah. Playing Toontown using a Guitar Hero controller to reach the global leaderboard. Actually, I think that's existing. But how would I use a Guitar Hero controller? I don't even have one of those. I don't even think I could control it. Using AI image recognition to turn my literal breakfast into playable game monsters. Minus the AI part, that's actually a somewhat good idea. Right there. Competing in a knockout tournament. Competing in knockout tournaments where every single sound effect is replaced by, I'm gonna assume wolf and bark. Only a scary game that only progresses when I stay completely silent. Hey, that was my idea. Why is YouTube listening to me? ChatGPT, stop, please. Gemini, please, stop listening to me. Stop spying on me, please. Designing a new Toontown character using only historical fashion from the 1800s. Not the best. I mean a real horror game. I mean a horror game where the monster reacts to my real heartbeat. Isn't that literally all? Doesn't that already exist? Using camera footage, to generate a procedural Toontown boss battle. What is a Toontown boss battle where you have to color many things at once? What's going on? Forcing AI to code a game using only feedback from my smart fridge. I don't have a smart fridge. I have a dumb fridge. I have a stupid fridge. Surviving a cursed funky maker level decided by a predictive text bot. What? I played Toontown only using my digital tablet as my only controller, transforming my YouTube analytics into a playable horror world using modern AI. Of course, gamification, that's not a real word. Playing knockout using a high sensitivity professional mouse on a trampoline. I made Funky Maker mobile levels based entirely on local weather patterns. Being the hardest Toontown boss only using voice activated macro commands. Converting my old childhood drawings, I'm still a child. It's a fully playable Funky Maker mobile. Jesus Christ! How many of these Toontown and Funky Maker mobile ones are we gonna get? Ah! Can I win a knockout tournament while my keyboard is completely submerged? Did that mean my whole laptop would be submerged? Selecting the Toontown character only using colors found on the satellite imagery. Well, let's do one more round. Why not? Oh, maybe it will. Maybe it will not. I'm not sure. I'm gonna die. That's a joke. Ba, 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 ba. Mushroom. Testing everything sound effect. Hold on. Give me a moment. Hold on. I want to tell my dad something. Ooga booga. Anyway, so testing every hidden sound effect, and then I just have the glitch hop maker. Yeah, it's just making crap up at this point. Well, the game. Yeah, I just giving up. What is this? Walter attempts to complete the Impossible Rhythm Challenge in BitTune World. Bro, does this keep thinking of a music maker or some crap? Like, Jesus. Jeez. Creating a high speed lo-fi beat only using mobile app sound samples. Exploring secret sound fonts within the latest version. I don't have one for this. Exploring secret sound fonts within the latest version of Pixel Note Pro. Yeah, it's just falling giving up on me. Walter navigates a musical maze using custom motion controls in Sonic Dash. Oh, let me refresh, dude. That is. Eesh, bro. Eesh. Put it together, man. Testing the new gravity physics in this new strange community created level. I built a secret escape room only using mobile editor tools. Weird. Competing in the first ever Pro Toontown Rhythm Battle Royale tournament. What was that? That was an actual. What was that, sister? Competing in the first ever Toontown Rhythm Battle Royale tournament. Let me say again. Competing in the first ever Pro Toontown Rhythm Battle Royale tournament. Roblox Walter explores Roblox Walter explores most of the downloaded maps for May 26th 2026 for 10 minutes. Oh, it took into account from that one video when I played Outcome Memories for like 41 minutes. I will make a video returning to Outcome Memories someday. But not like version 0.2 because there's an official game that just takes it back to an earlier version before I even started. And we're trying to break the world record speedrun on this impossible obstacle course. Can I win this chaotic survival game without moving my character once? No. I think I'm a hardcore gamer. I mean, I am. But I won't go to that extreme. Just like, what, 12 years old? I just became 12 years old. Like, I became 12 years old, like, wait, I'm doing the math. 7 days ago. I let an AI. Oh my god, of course it's an AI. Yeah? Yeah, I'm making a video right now. So you can. Okay, so I let an AI voice narrator control my every move in this weird RPG. I'm making a video where I just read AI suggestions for videos. And of course, back with the AI. AI likes to glaze itself. Testing the glitchiest custom visual effects created by the Toonzone community. Surviving the most. I don't even know what to say for that. Surviving the most cursed retro horror map without ever using flashlights. Gang. Super Mario Sunshine. Why does a secret unlisted level have a hidden message about me? It's game over. You have failed. That's literally normal. It actually kind of looks like this dude and then. Forcing a to draw a boss battle and then trying to beat it. Yeah, that definitely looks like I drawn. Actually, it looks like something like I would draw. Specifically me from 5 years ago. And then I would recreate it like 7 years later. Which is how old I am now, 12. I like how this dude's just acting nonchalant about it, like, meh, some being beyond human, some biblically accurate venom sludge is gonna eat me, but I'm fine. I'm nonchalant. I have no cortisol at all whatsoever. Finding the most expensive player outfits in the game and stealing their style. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I made a music video only using Toonzone sound effects and glitches. Playing every level created playing every level created by users with zero total downloads for 1 hour. Can we recreate famous movie scenes from using? Oh my god! Can it? This is the second time I reference Puffs. I'm like, shut up. Uh, why does Kirby look like he's in pain? Kirby looks like he's in pain. Kirby looks like he's the void. I spent 24 hours communicating through Funky Maker mobile custom emojis. Those don't exist, and I quit on that. I quit on Funky Maker mobile because I was too lazy to chart another song. Searching for the secret developer room inside the newest update map. What? Walter attempts to beat the world largest, not the world's largest, the world largest, built with mobile editor tools. Then I just went immediately. And I use only to write my character dialogue in this whole game. Jesus Christ. Kissing every single sound hidden inside the Toonzone update. Maybe there's impossible level is a steering wheel only. No, but can you even play whatever it's mentioning in with a steering wheel? Funny scary baby creep fan art recreated inside the game engine. Oh my. Also plays every game made by my small subscribers in one video. That's like 20 people. Pretty sure like I'm pretty sure that's like 21 people. 7 to 8 of them who actually exist, and the rest of them are just like bots. Subscribe. Never mind. That was shameless. I do not. I've lost all my respect for myself. Okay. Also plays every single game member with most subscribers do a video. I tried to speed one of the most just like mobile maker level ever created. Um, I built a working analog. God damn. I built a I built the working analog synthesizer inside Funky Maker Mobile. Walter attempts to recreate the entire Toontown soundtrack using kitchen appliances. Those mysterious unfinished maps that still haunt the community browser, more like community Bowser. Get it? Because Bowser. Never mind. Um, I, we finished his custom level using only motion controls and gravity. Motion controls and gravity. Gravity's a normal thing. Excuse me, eating this fart pants. I went to the talent show for the weird sound effects in Toontown. Toontown's not about music. Jesus Christ, YouTube. Mapping my entire real house at Funky Maker Mobile. Play hide and seek. What? Uh, that's a working calculator? What? A working calculator. What's this shit? Every K made during the 48-hour AI game jam. Dude, I don't have Steam. I don't have a Windows. Found a secret level that only opens at exactly 3 a.m. Woo! Testing how many. Oh my. Mm, mm. Creating a functional horror movie camera. That the only. E. What? A Rube Goldberg machine. A working Rube Goldberg machine. What is a Thor dingus? If you don't know Rube Goldberg machines are like machines that are that do very complicated things just to do a simple thing. Nope. Thank God. I can't show any more boss fight, dude. Well, seems we made it to the end, like twice. AI, your video suggestions, I might say. It is a 2 out of. It's a 2 out of 2 times 5 divided by zero. And if you don't know, anything divided by zero equals infinity. So yeah, basically most of your suggestions suck, YouTube. I want to say myself. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.